Namaste everyone, welcome to Winners Academy. So this session we are going to learn about the preparation of bases. Preparation of bases. So here in the preparation of, before entering into the preparation of bases, we have to learn about what is a base. What is a base? So a base is already I said in the last session. So what is a base? A base is a substance. Base is a substance when it is reacts with an acid. Base is a substance when it is reacts with acid, it produces salt and water. It produces salt and water only. Salt and water only. So this type of substances are said to be bases. This type of substances are said to be bases. That means bases are the substances when it reacts with acid, they form salt and water. So they produce OH minus ions also, right? So next, here we can learn in this session about the preparation of bases. Preparation of bases. Out of the preparation of bases, the first we have to learn about the how can we prepare soluble bases. Soluble bases. What are soluble bases, or generally what are soluble bases are called as alkali. Soluble bases preparation. In the soluble bases preparation, when a reactive metal they combine with oxygen, they give metal oxides which are generally contains the basic property. A reactive metal reacts with or combined with oxygen. Reactive metals like sodium, potassium, calcium. These type of reactive metals, when they are combined with oxygen, they form metal oxides which are generally contains the basic property. Example, suppose Na reacts with oxygen. They form Na2O. So to balance this, 4Na plus O2 gives rise to 2Na2O. Right? So this is Na2O is a metal oxide which contains the basic property. Right? So and at the same time, suppose 4K potassium, when it is also reacts with oxygen, it forms K2O, 2K2O. So this is also contains basic property. Let us take these two, Na2O and K2O. When these two are dissolved in cold water, Na2O and K2O, when these are dissolved in cold water, they form NaOH is a base and KOH, this is also a base. Already we discussed about this NaOH and KOH in the previous session. NaOH and KOH are soluble in water. Both are soluble in water. So that's why these are called as alkali. So this is the first preparation method of bases, like soluble bases called alkali. In the alkali preparation, what happened? A reactive metal reacts or combined with oxygen, they form metal oxides which are generally contains the basic property. Right? So here NaOH and KOH are formed. These are contains the basic property, and this is alkali. These are alkali because they are dissolved in water. Right? So and at the same time, ammonia, NH3, ammonia. When this one also dissolves in water, ammonia dissolves in water, it forms NH4OH. It is also soluble in water. This is also called as a base and alkali. NH4OH. This is also called as a alkali. Right? So these are the preparations of soluble bases, which are generally called as an alkali. Alkali can be prepared by these methods. These are soluble bases. Right? So next we can learn how can we prepare insoluble bases. insoluble bases. Suppose insoluble bases. Insoluble base. So how can we prepare insoluble base? Insoluble base can be prepared by, suppose we want to prepare ZnOH twice. It is a base, water insoluble. This is insoluble base. For the preparation of ZnOH twice, we need to take the relative soluble salt. So Zn soluble salt. So Zn soluble salt is nothing but soluble salt. It is nothing but ZnNO3 twice. ZnNO3 twice. It is relative salt of ZnOH twice. Right. So it is soluble in water. So when it is reacts with an alkali, like NaOH, when ZnNO3, so generally NO3 type of compounds are soluble. So that's why we are taking like this. So this can be formed ZnOH twice plus NaNO3. ZnOH twice plus NaNO3. So this type of substance can be formed. Here this is water insoluble, this is insoluble base. This can be prepared by the alkali. When soluble salt reacts with the soluble base, it forms insoluble. This is insoluble base. Insoluble base. Right. So at the same time, if I take another example like FeNO3 twice, when it is reacts with 2NaOH, it forms FeOH twice plus 2NaNO3. So here also what happened, FeOH twice is a water insoluble base. This is the preparation of insoluble bases. And at the same time, we have decomposition reaction also. Decomposition reaction, so like the CaCO3, calcium carbonate, on decomposition it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. So this calcium oxide again dissolves in water, it forms calcium hydroxide. It is also a base. This is an alkali because it is partially dissolves in water. It is partially soluble in water. So these are the preparations of bases. So in the first what we are learning, soluble bases how can be prepared, and second one is insoluble bases how can we prepare. So these are the two preparation methods of soluble bases and insoluble bases, right? So